What promises concern every believer today?
Let not your heart be troubled. Ye believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you unto myself, that where I am, there ye may be also. Nevertheless, we, according to his promise, look for new heavens and a new earth, wherein dwelleth righteousness.
The main promise that all who believe in the name of Jesus Christ should be concerned with is his promise to come again and receive you, that you may be together with him. That's what you should ultimately be looking forward to. I leave you with this thought. In the book of Proverbs, it is written,
Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths.
by trusting in God's promises, acknowledging his rightful place in your life, and not placing how you see things and your thoughts above his, he will lead you right through all the troubles, worries, and anxieties that you meet in this life, and straight to a face-to-face reunion with him when he comes back to receive you. Jesus has promised to do this, and his precious promises never fail. Won't you trust him today?